Hello, today I will be comparing the BLACK+DECKER 12 cup coffee maker and Amazon Basic 12 cup coffee maker. Be sure to watch to the end and I will tell you which is better. Links to all the product are in the description. Let's start. Type drip coffee maker and drip coffee maker. Drawer. Next, brew size 12 cups and 12 cups. Drawer. Next, water reserve non-removable and non-removable. Drawer. Next, programmable. Yes, no, win a black decker. Next, Bruce range control. Yeah, no, no, draw. Next, dimensions 8 and 11 and 12.5 and 7.187 and 9.25 and 12.36. Winner Amazon. Next, automatic shut off. Yes, yes, draw. Next, price around $13 and around $25. Winner Amazon. If you want to get the most powerful, durable and device what will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the Amazon Basic 12 cup coffee maker. The link to buy it is in the video description. Bye.